In this video, I'll show you how to create two females. First you pick two females and then you can pick the skin tone of the first person. You can choose outfits, if she has eyewear or not, the color of her hair, and you can pick from a variety of hairstyles. I've chosen a cap here. And then you can pick the second person, skin tone, just the exact same thing, outfits, hair color, eyewear, and hairstyle. You can change amongst all the hairstyles, and you can even go back if you need to change anything. I've picked headwear here, and they have a little cat. And if it's a birthday card or a birthday portrait, you can add some text there. And then lastly, you can pick a size, an art print or a greeting card, which will be folded. Once you hit add to cart, it will take a little moment for it to fully process.